Chef yung order daw.
You, I'm never confused. You, I'm never confused. Hey, you, I'm so used to being you. Always worth it. So when you won't accept it. 'Cause I hate
Yung
when I
order.
won't expect it. So I'ma care for you.
Asan yung customer?
Umuwi na siya.
Bakit?
Kasi, kinamay-kamay mo daw. Hindi ka daw nag-gloves.
Ganun ba? Malinis naman kami ko.
The contamination of the food. Bigay mo na lang sa akin, chef.
Sure ka?
Daling ko sa amin.
Okay, sige. Sa'yo na lang. Sige. Ubusin mo